That's a different streaming site. True. Also, what do you mean by Gfuel bread? My brother, we're gonna use this Gfuel, and we're gonna use it with this, and with this, and with some of that, and we're going to make bread. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't know what's gonna happen. I have no idea what's gonna happen tonight. This could be horrible. I don't know if I'm gonna be here tomorrow. Corona could come any day, so I'm living life to the fullest, making some Gfuel bread on the internet, man. Yo, we got 2 cameras. We got 2 cameras. 2 cameras. We got the chat right there. Look at this. Look at this. I watched 5 videos on how to make bread this morning, so I'm gonna hope I remember how to do it, because I don't right now. You guys see the second camera? Look at this. You guys see the second camera? Oh, Bailey. Where is the flour? And I've got the yeast here, but where's the flour? I'm feeling good. Look at this, boy. Hang on, let me move it where you can see it better. Look at that. Look at the second camera. Alright, so what I remember from the YouTube video I watched with some midwife teaching me how to make bread. Shout out to that midwife's YouTube channel. I don't remember her name. We've decided on Fazeberry. We're going with Fazeberry. Shout out to the midwives. Google loaf, egg. All man can do is make bread until death whisk him away like an egg. Real quick. Hang on, let me go on the second camera. I'm not gonna measure anything. I'm not gonna measure a single thing. So just pray for me. Do you really expect me to measure this stuff?
No, I guess not.
I screamed when your face popped up in the corner, bro. I wasn't expecting. A lot of people scream when they see my face. It's okay. I totally understand that. In before you burn down your new house. How would I burn it down? I'm just pouring a bunch of sugar. Do you plan to bake the bread? Oh yeah, that's a good point. We'll be doing that. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Yeah, that's fine. So that we add the Gfuel first. So I pour it in. That smells like heaven, let me tell you. You need to be activating the yeast, young blood. Have you ever prepared food before? Hey, listen, I make a lot of good food. I've never baked bread before. I watched 5 videos. It's gotta be. It can't. How hard can it be? How hard can it be? We got a lot of backseat gamers in the chat tonight. Why does this come in packs like this? Why? Active dry? What is this? Look at that. Look at that. We're halfway there, guys. How much flour y'all think? Y'all think that's good? Should I do more flour? What y'all think? The whole Romeo said the whole bag. Romeo, I like you more every time you show up, man. Yeah, I put the yeast in already. Was I not supposed to? In the water? In the water? What water? Oh yeah, you gotta put water in the brick. Where's it at?
What cup are you looking
I need
for?
like a big glass cup, and I've got to make it warm.
Glass cup?
Yeah,
Like
but I've
that?
got to make it warm, but
so
not.
you need like a mug, maybe.
No, not a mug, like one of them. Yeah, like this. Oh god. Oh god, what have we done? You just goes in the water alone? What?
To activate it.
I thought you watched the videos. I watched videos, but I don't remember. I can't be held responsible for this. You're literally the only responsible party in charge. Listen, there's forgiveness in this role, so I'm asking y'all to forgive me, and maybe Bailey's somewhat responsible because she said put the flour in.
Listen, sometimes you do things not to be real, but to be funny.
This is so real. I've never been more serious about anything in my life. This is Gfuel bread. I'm so serious.
Are you gonna heat the water up?
I'm gonna warm it with my tears first. In before you put the flour. Okay, so I put in the cinnamon. I put in the sugar. Then I put in the salt. Then I add the Gfuel. Then in a separate bowl, I put in yeast and water. And then I add that after that's been mixed. And then the flour. Is that what y'all are telling me? Is that Does that sound like a thing? The yeast blooms on its own. This is it. Yeast doesn't bloom. It's not a flower. There's already flour in there. This yeast has been passed down for generations.
It was my great-grandmother's. She gave it to me at my wedding. Just kidding, she's dead.
How much do I have in here? How much did you say? Half teaspoon? Is this a teaspoon?
Oh.
There's a half on here.
My friend, that's way more than a half a teaspoon.
Oh, this is getting so complicated. I just wanna make bread. No bread contain eggs. Hey, Daniel, just subscribe with Twitch Prime. Let's go. Okay. 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 So it is in the oven.
How long do you want to set the timer?
How long do y'all think it should be in there for? Because I have no clue, honestly.
Drum roll, please. Oops.
Here it is.
She's beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, hang on. Oh
Do you
shoot.
want me?
Listen to this.
It actually does look really good.
Do you hear the knock?
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Oh no.
So I cut it on the inside. It's completely soft on the inside. But on the outside, the military is gonna contract me to make this to protect their soldiers.
It's literally just a cinder
Oh,
block.
she's thick. Everyone is watching the stream, right? That's how we're seeing the bread.
Yes, I am anyway. I cannot speak for everyone.
Like there's no color at the top, but the
Oh my gosh.
interior is like orange.
So on the inside, it's completely soft.
It looks like cake.
Look at that steam.
Yeah. I literally
Oh.
can taste the G Fuel. I can taste the phase berry.
Dude, it's actually good.
Yeah.
Dude, what? I want some.
Insane.
What have I done? Malik,
Either
it
make
literally
some
tastes like
frosting.
G Fuel. Like, oh my
Either
god.
make some frosting or make some G Fuel butter. Like, you know,
It
cinnamon
tastes
butter.
better than G Fuel because I
Honey
don't like
butter,
G
yeah.
Fuel and I like
Yeah,
that.
like honey butter.
is
like,
legit
mix in
good.
a G
Like,
Fuel
Bailey actually
flavor
likes
with
it.
some butter.
Oh, you best believe I'm making this into a video and sending it to the G Fuel people.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, this is so good.
We need to make a pewdie loaf.
A beauty loaf?
Did you hear me? Did you hear me? We need to make a pewdie loaf.